What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my kitchen. It is hump day. Okay, you're going to see this video today. I'm making it today. Guys, I am making my own filet-fish. Should I have the sandwich? I need to get the sandwich. So I want to show you guys McDonald's sandwich. Then I'm going to show you guys my sandwich. But let's make my filet-fish first. And guys, get your flour, because I am going to be using this flour in this recipe. I'm just going to show you guys how versatile, how many products you can use this flour on, and it is so amazing and it works well. But if you don't have my flour, please use all-purpose flour, use wheat flour, whatever flour that you use to season your flour with, whatever seasons you use to season your flour with to make this recipe. Today's recipe is a filet-fish. Not gonna lie, Sam, the cooking guy, Sam the cooking guy, love him. This is his recipe. I saw maybe a month ago or 3 weeks ago, I'm not sure. And I experimented, did it for the house. Oh my God, way better than my, what's the thing called? McDonald's. McDonald's filet-fish, guys. So what I'm going to do is that I got some cod. I was looking for like a filet cod, but my store bought me cod, but they bought it like, and you need cod fish because the texture of it is more towards the texture of the filet fish that you get at McDonald's. So my cod right here, it came in squares. I thought it was going to be a fillet, but no problem. I did a video already. So I'm going to show you, I'm taking my serrated knife, and I'm just going to cut it in half. I'm going to butterfly it to spread it out. Just like that. So I'm going to butterfly it. And it worked perfectly. My grease is getting hot. And you know, with everything, it always comes. Don't say, oh, she butchering that fish. No, she's not. I just got to give me some good knives. Okay, there you go. Just like that. I butterflied them. They look like butterflies. What they call it, butterflies. See, look, just like butterflies. Okay, so I need to get this fish. Wash my hands real quick. Let me wash my hands. We'll be right back. Okay, guys. So I pat dry my fish. Pat dry my fish. Now, if you can find some cod already filleted and flat and butterflied, or already filleted, skinless and things like that, just cut that tail end off, and that top part will be a good portion. Breadcrumbs. Since I'm using my seasoned flour on this recipe, I got plain panko breadcrumbs. And what I want to do, because they're a little bit too crunchy, if you have a blender or anything, or not a blender, food processor, but I'm just going to take this and I'm just going to mash down on here just a little bit, so I can just crunch it up just a little bit more than what it is. Ooh. Look, she about to burn herself. Just crunch it up just I got my grease on and cooking. Just crunch it up just a little bit more. But put in your food processor. But if you don't have my seasoned flour, and you don't feel like seasoning your flour, you can always buy a seasoned breadcrumb. I used to get the Italian breadcrumbs already seasoned. But since my flour is seasoned, I'm using that for my recipe. I don't want to use seasoned breadcrumbs because then it would be too salty to everything combined. So I have my 1 egg here. And so I'm only doing 2 pieces of fish, I'm only doing 1 egg. That's all you need. Mix it up really, really well. And then, taking my seasoned flour. If you have this already at home, good filet-fish recipe, okay? Taking a bowl right here. And I'm going to stick some flour in here, not that much. My grease is already getting hot. And you see, www, SoulfulT, LLC. That's where you get it from. So now we're going to dredge. And you don't know what dredging is. It's a combination of flour, eggs, breadcrumbs for your favorite stuff. So I'm going to take this, which is my fish. I'm going to place it in the breadcrumbs. Not breadcrumbs, guys. Place it in the flour. At this point, you want to season your flour, season your fish with your favorite thing. Just gonna make sure it's nice and well and seasoned. And then I'm gonna shake it off. Place it in the egg. I'm gonna try to use the wet hand dry method. I always mess up every time I do. My grease is getting hot over here. Then I'm gonna shake it off. Then I'm gonna place it in my breadcrumbs. And this way you're gonna get your crunch, because we all know that McDonald's fish is breaded. I want to place them both on the heat at the same time, just because this is a quick cooked fish. Takes no more between 3 to 4 minutes to cook till they golden brown on both sides. See, I done messed up the wet hand combination already. Who out there gets this right? Let me know, because I just can't. For the help of me, I just can't. I always end up switching. It's going into the egg. I can feel the heat from the grease. My pan is nice and hot. Shake it off, and in the breadcrumbs it goes. We're gonna shake off some of the breading. And then I was too lazy to pull out the food processor. I have one, guys, but if you want to do it, please pull yours out. Or you don't have to, leave it as is. Go on in, and that fish, not a whole lot of grease. You'll watch that for a minute. I'm gonna wash my hands. This is gonna cook for 3 minutes, 3.5. I'm gonna go about 3.5 minutes on each side till they golden brown. Let me wash my hands and I'll be back. I'm going to get the bun. So guys, look at my fish. It's cooking. We done flipped it. Looks beautiful, don't it? So while it's doing what it do, let's make some tartar sauce. Get your favorite bun. I am using potato rolls. Yeah, she's using potato rolls. Get your favorite mayonnaise or American Whip, whatever it is that you use. Get you some sweet relish. Not no cubes, not anything. So sweet relish. Look at that. I think everybody like a lot of pickles. I think everybody know how to make it better like that, right? This is almost done. They're actually, and just gonna stir it up. Now, if you want it a little bit spicy, remember, it's your kitchen, your way. You're making it at home. Totally different from McDonald's, right? So, we like tartar sauce at the bottom. Spread it at the bottom. And just like that good old McDonald's, you're going to take the cheese. They give you half a piece in my kitchen. You get a whole. Okay. I'm telling you, when I made this video, not the video, when I made these sandwiches last night, they went crazy. Turn my stove off. Cooked perfectly. See how thick it is? Just let's shake some of the grease off. Place it on there. Look at that. It is hard. The inside texture it's just like a fillet fish, guys. And it's so amazing. We like a little bit of extra tartar sauce in here. Let's put some on top. Just a little. That's it. Guys, this is my version of fillet fish. Let me show you McDonald's. McDonald's. Which one you want? Which one you think your kids gonna want? Well, let me get my son in here. Let it cool down for a few seconds. Let it cool down for a few seconds. And oh, look at that. Look at this. We about to do a taste test. We'll be right back.
3, 2.
Okay, guys. Tell me who you are.
Alright, guys. So we are back. How you guys doing today? I'm Josh. Basically, my mom just made her own version of the McDonald's fish fillet.
I got it from Sam the Cooking Guy.
Got it from Sam the Cooking Guy. Shout out to him.
Shout out to him.
Basically, just off the rip, just by looking at it, guys, hers look way better, home style type, man. Just look at this. I mean, we all ate the McDonald's fish fillet plenty of times.
We know McDonald's fish fillet.
We know it's good. I'm not gonna downplay it. I'll eat it. But now it's time to try. If you had a choice. If you had a choice, I think I might go with homemade. But we're gonna see though. Let's see if it's really, you know, as tasteful as it looks.
And I use my flour.
And I'm adding extra tartar sauce because obviously this isn't enough for me. I need extra. I need this dripping extra sauce. Let's just let's just do it like that right quick. One more time.
And I only use my flour. I didn't even season the fish.
Yep.
Gotta promote, son.
Yep. You only use that SoulfulT flour.
Yes.
All right, this thing. Okay.
The crunch. I hear it. You ain't got to taste the McDonald's, do you?
No, I already know how that tastes. Oh my gosh. I didn't know it's gonna be crispy like that.
That's the breadcrumbs.
That's the breadcrumbs?
Mm-hmm. What's up with the flavor though?
On a scale of 1 to 10, this thing is 100. Oh my god.
That's how they was when I made them last night though. And then they was like, oh my god, oh my god. He ain't want to do a mukbang, but he'll see and eat it for you guys. But guys, step back so I can end this video. Okay. I can't see.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. Like, share, subscribe, get your SoulfulT season flour. Guys, get your ticket to Eventbrite to come out and see me on April 25th. And if you're in the Baltimore area, please come out to see me in DC because I don't think we're going to stop in DC and Baltimore. Yeah.
Alright, guys. I hope you guys try this recipe because this is amazing. We're gonna finish this right now.
No, he gonna finish it. Ain't no we. It's him all over that. Look at him. I'm out.